what you need now is so important because I'm someone who generally likes flexibility and I like adventure and I like change. But right now, there has been way too much of it. And the required flexibility to run to my husband's appointments, now be the person traveling the kids to school, figure out how to deliver on client deliverables with two fewer team members, like all the mess of everything has required so much flexibility that I really now I'm craving structure and predictability. And so knowing what you need today is so important, and allowing yourself to have whatever it is that you need in the moment and build into that is just so key. And, one of my key takeaways from all this is that we're a lot more resilient than we think. If you as a listener are going through something difficult, I know how hard it is. My God. I mean, I don't know exactly how hard the thing you're going through is, but I know life can be hard. I wish I didn't know, but I do. And also, I'm surprised at how resilient we can be. And that doesn't mean resilient. Oh, I'm fine. I'm great. Yeah, let's do all the things. Let's be at every social party and pretend everything's fine. No, it's not what I need. If that's what you need, fine. That's not what I'm defining it as, though. It's more being able to show up for yourself, being able to show up for others, being able to know what you need to be able to stay resilient, right? Taking care of yourself at the core to be able to give to others.